Hi guys, welcome to Electrical Project channel, and in today's video I'll show you how to build a very simple device that can turn lights on and off automatically depending on whether it's day or night. For building such device we'll need one MOSFET transistor 2N7000, light dependent resistor LDR07, 470 kΩ resistor, 12 volts relay, and a 12 volts power source. Also we'll need wires. Here you can see the schematic. Well, let's start building this device. First let's solder 470 kΩ resistor and the first lead of the light dependent resistor LDR07. Then let's solder them to a gate lead of the MOSFET transistor. Now let's solder the second lead of the light dependent resistor with the source lead of the MOSFET transistor. And let's solder to them a black wire. Now let's solder drain lead of the transistor to the first coil lead of the relay. After that, let's solder the red wire to the resistor and to the second coil lead of the relay. Now everything is ready. Let's test this device. For powering, I will use a 12 volts power supply. Let's check the polarity of the power supply. Okay, now let's connect everything. And the last thing is a light bulb. Let's connect the light bulb sequentially with normally open contacts of the relay. And be very careful with mains electricity, because it can kill you. Really, be careful. Make sure that wires connected correctly and well. Now let's plug in. So far everything seems okay. Now let's cover the light sensor with a black tube. And oops, something is wrong. Here we have a very interesting thing happening. The light bulb is constantly flickering instead of just turning on and off. Do you know what is wrong? You can pause this video and think for a while. What do you think is wrong? Ready for the answer? Well, here we go. The light bulb is flickering because we have a feedback between the sensor and the light bulb. In other words, the sensor senses the light from the same light bulb that it is in control of. And when I cover the sensor, at some point it became too dark and the light bulb is turning on. But when the bulb is on, there is too much light, so sensor turns the bulb off. And when the bulb is off, it became too dark again. So sensor turns on the light bulb again, and this cycle repeats again and again. And it means that for the normal work of this device, sensor shouldn't sense any light from the bulb that it is in control of. Let's perform one more test. But this time I'll put the light bulb in the box. Let's test it again. Now it works fine. Let's turn off the light in the room. And at some point sensor started to sense the light from the light bulb, and we have feedback again. So let's cover the bulb even better. Now let's dim the lights in the room. And now it's working just fine. And that is all for today. I hope this video was interesting. Thanks for watching and see you next time.